You are welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mathematics Bright Side. Today we are going to be looking at the second edition of set theory, that is the part 2 of set theory, which is the continuation of our previous video on introduction to sets. If you are just watching our video, you can watch our previous video on the basic of set theory for proper understanding of this topic. In our last video, we talked about the terms used in set theory. So in this video, we are going to teach you the relationship of sets, that is the operation of sets. Operation will be carried out on more than one set at a time. These operations are unique to sets. You'll find them interesting because they differ from arithmetic and algebraic operations that you have been doing. Now let's look at the various operations under sets. We have the union of a set and we also have the intersection of a set. Let's learn about union of a set. Union of two or more sets can be defined as the combination of all the elements in the set without repetition. So now let's look at how to identify union of a set. Union of a set is always denoted or represented by this symbol inside the box. So now let's look at this example here. In definition of union of a set is the combination of two or more sets without repetition. So let's do this. Let's look for the union of this set. That's A union B, which is equals to. So we're going to combine the two elements in set A and set B together. We're going to join them together. That's 1 followed by 2. As you can see, 2 occurs twice here, but it's going to be represented once, that is no repetition, followed by 3, then 4 also occurs twice, but it's going to be represented once, followed by 5, then 6, then 7, then lastly 8. So that's just it. Let's look at more examples on how to identify union of a set. To look for the union of the set A and B is very simple. That is, we are going to combine all the elements in the set A and set B. That is A union B is equals to A. As you can see, A occurs twice, but we are going to represent it once, followed by B, then C, D, E, I, followed by O, then lastly U. That's just it. It's very easy. Let's move on to the second operation under set, which is called the intersection of a set. Intersection of two or more sets can be described as the combination of elements common to the sets. So now let's look at how to identify intersection of a set. Intersection of a set is always denoted or represented by this symbol inside the box. So now let's look at this example. Let's look at how to identify the intersection of the set A and the set B. That's very easy. That is A intersection B is equals to. So to get the intersection of the set A and B is very simple. I'm just going to look for the common element in the set A and the set B. So now let's look for it. As you can see, 2 is here, 2 is here also. So we're going to put 2 as our first common element. Looking for another one, we can see that 4 is also here, 4 is here also. So we're going to put 4 as our second common element. Let's look for more. You can see 5 is here, 5 is here also. So we're going to put 5 as the third one. So let's look for more. We can see that there's no other elements common to both elements A and set B. So that's just it. It's very simple. Let's look at one more example on how to identify intersection of a set. To get the intersection of the set A and B, that's very easy. That is A intersection B is equals to. So we're just going to look for the common elements in set A and set B. So let's start. As you can see, A is here also. Let's look for more. We can see E is here also. So we can see that it's only the elements A and E that is common to the set A and B. So that's all, and we're going to enclose with our brackets, curly brackets. That's just it. Thanks for watching our videos. You can watch more of our videos below. More videos are coming out next week about mathematics facts and tips you never know. Our next video will be uploaded next week, Tuesday or Wednesday. Subscribe to our channel to get notified. Thank you.